It removes the spots from your face in just 3 nights. The sun may represent a big problem for our skin, especially on the face, because if it's exposed to sunlight for a long time, it can lead to the appearance of spots in many cases. However, there is a wide variety of products that promise to remove spots, and although some may be effective, it is important to know that the chemical in this type of product only cause serious damage to our health. Therefore, in this video we will show you some of the many masks made from potato which will help you fight the completely unpleasant spots from your face. What do you need in order to remove the spots from your face? 1. Potato and lemon. You need 1 potato, 1/2 a lemon juice. Preparation. You must blend the potato and then add the lemon juice and mix until it is all integrated. How to use. Apply this home remedy with gentle circular movements, let it stay for 20 minutes, and wash your face with water. 2. Potato and onion. You need 1/2 white onion, 1 potato. Preparation. Put the onion and the potato in a blender and mix to obtain a homogeneous mixture. How to use. Apply it only in the affected areas of your face. Let it stay for 15 minutes and wash your face with water. 3. Potato and cucumber. You need 1 potato, 1/2 a carrot. Preparation. Put the potato and carrot in a blender and blend until it becomes smooth. How to use. Apply it all over your face with gentle movements, let it stay for 20 minutes, and wash it with plenty of water.